The fruit of this tree is just passed to another tree through drops of a bud, whereby when it has been dispersed at the fork of that original tree, the tree starts germinating and then starts sending down the roots, aerial roots such as this one. You can now this one is now aiming down, but as they keep on coming down, they keep on strangling the original tree until it comes a time when they reach the ground, they start expanding. At the same time, they are competing the original tree to get food from the ground, and also at the same time they are squeezing the original tree, so the original tree does not have enough time to grow freely. Now you get that's the time the original tree just dries up, it dies and start decomposing, and the particles start dropping over, like now this one. You can see this now has been strangled and it's now dead. This is the whole thing. And now after some time you get that the original trees, everything's gone, and what remains there just the shape of original tree, and it's just like a chimney style. Now like here. So now you see here, this is the shape now for the original tree, but the whole thing is not there now. What's remaining there is just a strangling thick.
This tree here is one of the many fig trees that we have in the Kakamega Forest. Its name is Ficus exasperata, and its common name is sandpaper tree. Its local name is called Museno. The sandpaper tree is very important with the forest ecosystem, whereby it also allows animals to come and disperse its fruits. This tree actually has a tree hole that accumulates rainwater, and as it accumulates the rainwater, it allows insects to come and breed in that water. At the same time, it also allows other animals to disperse the seeds. And as it accumulates rainwater, the mosquitoes, dragonflies, and the velids will come and breed in it. The toxopharyngitis mosquito and the dragonflies competing to eat other mosquitoes. So, as you know, we have about 152 species of mosquitoes in the world. But the mosquitoes that eat other mosquitoes that does not suck our blood, because it only depends on the nectar. It's very important to have such a tree in any rainforest or in your garden that will also accumulate rainwater to help reduce the population of mosquitoes that could transmit malaria on us.
Yeah, it's becoming dying. Okay. Yeah, because of chopping badly. You see, like here, somebody had to chop, but it's already becoming cabin. Okay, chop badly. Also here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
This is the famous Mamuti tree, said to be the oldest and tallest tree in the forest. In the 1930s, the loggers cut all the biggest trees to use in the sawmills. But this tree was spared to serve as a seed mother. Now the Mamuti tree is a symbol for ecological rainforest conservation.
This one is not allowed to remove.
No?
Because our animals, insects, some are stay inside, some are getting like food from it.
All over the forest, fallen trees remain on the trails until they decompose. Visitors have to climb over the stems. This is because the soil in rainforest mostly is very poor. The forest needs all the nutrition from fallen trees to survive.
Grow health.
This is one of the problems for Kakamega Rain Forest. People around the forest need firewood to cook. They are nice people and only pick dead wood. But they are not aware that this dead wood is needed by the forest to survive. The dead wood is a nursery for new rainforest life. The large-scale industrial logging in Kakamega Rain Forest started about 110 years ago. First sleepers were needed for the building of the railway between Kisumu and Uganda. Later, during the Kakamega gold rush in the 1930s, good strong timber was needed for pit props in the gold mines. The largest mine had many kilometers of galleries like this, supported by timber. During the 2 world wars, much wood for industrial fuel was fetched from Kakamega Rain Forest. Also hardwood for furniture and softwood for the plywood industry was logged in large quantities. In the northern part of the forest, there were selective logging of endemic trees, both to get valuable hardwood and to get bark for medical use. Some of the old and tall trees, which formed the roof of the rainforest, nowadays have become very rare. Charcoaling, commercial firewood cutting and timber logging is forbidden today. But still there are illegal logging, pit sawing and charcoaling. When you trek the forest, you pass sites like this. Here illegal loggers have cut a big tree during the night. The wooden construction is to make it easier for the logger to cut the tree. And still, trucks leave the forest loaded with valuable timber. One-third of the rural population around the rainforest still rely directly on the forest for their livelihood. They extract firewood from it, use the medical plants and graze their cattle there. On the small dirt road leading from the forest, a never-ending stream of people carry out firewood, grass for covering roofs, hay for the cows, medical plants, bark and other things they have collected.